Ano ba to? May package? Delivered to Nitro Woolly. Ah. Shanta!
Hey!
Shanta, may package si Nitro.
Really?
See? Look at it.
It
Oh,
says
no.
Target.
It says to Nitro Woolly. Order something, Shanta?
Oh no, it didn't.
No?
I don't have a credit
Well,
card.
someone knows our address and sent Nitro a package. So, we are all in danger. And at your own risk. Mga espada dito.
It's like it's open. Look at that.
Yeah, well, let's open it up, see what it is. Hallie, did you order something from Target?
No.
Well, someone sent Nitro a package. Look who it's to. Look at the 2 sticker on the front.
To Nitro Woolly.
Yes.
How do they know where we live? That's so... Dwayne, I told you not to post our house on your freaking YouTube.
What is it, Hallie?
Oh my gosh, it's like a whole bunch of them. Wait.
Buksan mo yan. Buksan mo na yan. Oh! Oh, check it out, man. What is it? Holy crap. Merry Christmas to baby Nitro.
He's got animals.
Wow.
Ooh, look at his face.
Yeah, of course.
And they have this thing.
It's a table.
Oh, Fisher Price.
Look,
Oh, it's a little table.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
At the
cool.
I
back.
wish you could build really thin.
See?
Wow. Just, yeah. This is from Target, which is a store here in Australia, and we don't know who sent it to us. Someone ordered this and sent it to us, Shanta. Was it you?
No.
Was it
Of
you,
course
Nitro?
not.
Ikaw ang culprit, ano? You ordered yourself a toy from Target. Hey.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
There we go.
It's recipe.
Hello, it's Puppy. You like that one, Nigel?
Let's open it. So we can.
This is from Ruth. Someone called Ruth sent us this. So maraming salamat kay Ruth. Ruth, hindi ko alam kung anong apelido niya po kasi ayaw nila sabihin sa amin. So Ruth, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po.
Hey. Is that fun, baby Nitro, huh? Is that fun? Hey, Wanda fam! So, sagutin po natin yung tanong na nasa title ng video na to. Ayan. So, kailan kami babalik sa Pilipinas? Ngayon, tinitingnan po namin kung ano ang kalagayan dun sa Pilipinas. At inisip namin kung kailan ba talaga kami magbabalik. So, ngayong April 30, mag-expire na ang visa ni Shanta at Nitro. Ibig sabihin, kailangan sila bumalik sa Pilipinas or at least lumabas sa Australia before April 30. We got this visa through a company called Down Under Visa. So, sila po yung lagi kong ginagamit tuwing pumupunta si Shanta dito sa Australia. Down Under Visa talaga ang ginagamit namin. Kasi every single time Shanta has applied for a visa, we've done it through Down Under Visa, they've got it straight away for us. So, nag-send sila sa amin ng listahan ng lahat ng kailangan namin gagawin. And then we do what's on the list. And then they send it off to the embassy and then we just wait to get the visa. So, madali lang yun eh. So, sinusundan namin yung mga instructions nila. Tapos, yun, may visa na. So, ganyan kadali ang process nila. So, lagi namin ginagamit yung Down Under Visa. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo rin pupunta dito sa Australia, go to downundervisa.com.au. Ayan. Not only do they help Filipinos get to Australia, but they also help people from China, Thailand, Vietnam come to Australia as well. So, kung tourist visa ang kukunin nyo, or kahit partner visa ang kukunin nyo, kaya nila yan. Ayun. So, contact them guys, downundervisa.com.au. So if ever magstay pa kami dito sa Australia, sila pa rin yung lalapitan namin, diyan na visa. And we're gonna apply for another tourist visa para makapag-stay sila ng matagal dito, if ever. Pero hindi pa namin sure kung gagawin namin yun. Kasi syempre, may lupa si Shanta sa Leyte. Wow, sana all may lupa. So itatayo namin ang bahay dun sa Leyte. Yun yung plano namin. Matagal naming plano yan. Pero depende sa kalagayan ng Pilipinas. Halip, you say sana all may bahay.
Mabahay.
May bahay.
Mabahon. Sana all mabahay.
May bahay.
Sana all my bahay.
Yes. Sana all mabaho daw. So when we applied for Shanta's visa, we had to send down on the visa things like a history of relationship statement. We had to get people in Australia, like my sisters, to fill up a stat deck saying that they know who we are and they believe that our relationship is sincere. Ganun. Sabi ko sa application form, panoorin mo na lang mga YouTube video namin. Totoo yung relationship namin. We have 3 years of videos uploaded. They're like 300 videos of us together, living together, getting married, proposing to her, having a baby together. So halatang halata na totoo yung relationship namin. Di ba, Shanta? Alright guys, so yan ang sagot. As of now, babalik kami sa Pilipinas ngayong April. Katapusan ng April, babalik na kami doon. Pero tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Kasi sa ngayon, sa alam ko, na bawal papasok sa Pilipinas ang mga Australian ngayon. Unless you have an essential working permit. Wala naman akong essential working permit. So, sa ngayon, kahit gusto ko bumalik ng Pilipinas, bawal na. Bawal ako. Pero I think, kapag May, they'll remove that. Sana, no? Kayo mga Pilipino, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa Australia. Pero ako, hindi pwede pupunta dyan sa inyo. Unfair naman, di ba?
Are you moving back to the Philippines?
Yeah, we will. This year. Well, Shanta's visa expires in May. April 30.
It's my birthday in May. April 30th.
Yep, April the 30th.
Well, can't you just extend it?
Well, we can. I talked it down on the visa. They said we can get another tourist visa, which would be 6 months. So Shanta could stay till like September or something. But yeah, but we'll see because
What?
I have to get back to the Philippines. So Shanta, we have a lot for the house to build, and we have some responsibilities there. And my stuff is there, like my gold play button nandun sa Pilipinas. So yeah. Sayang, no? Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to. Ayun, alay! Alay!
You said that, baby.
Alright, Duan the Fam, sa katapusan ng video natin, we do Duan the Fam shoutouts. So ito po ang mga isa-shoutout natin, mga golden Duan the Fam natin. Ito sila, Conchita Docot, Jolie Inocencio, Daramis, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, Joanna Avellana, Shane Ransborg, John Seed, Kiko Arps, Rosel Ruiz Lovecare, Merly King's Vlog, The Urupino Fam, The Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Pakit Paglinawan, Edita Razon, Gold's Life, Hali, nag-ano ka dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Romel Ibanez Vlog, The Aussie and His Wife, Leia Garvey, The Ramsey Family, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Haley and Hashley Sisters. Oh, parang si Hallie. Hallie and Hallie Sisters. Hallie and Hallie. Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Bontian, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat po. At ito po ang mga certified Duan the Fam natin on the screen right now. Ayun, no? Ayun. Ito sila lahat. Ayun. Walang credits, like we're rolling. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and remember to check out downundervisa.com.au. Maraming salamat sa Down Under Visa for helping Shanta and Nitro get to Australia and stay here for a few months.
I said it before and I'll say it again.
You shine so bright like the morning sun.
I really wanna walk you down the aisle.